Hi everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to log in. In today's video, I will show you how you can download Omegle app on your device. Now, if this is something that you want to get, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up any internet browser on your device and there search for Omegle download, and from the search result you can tap on the very first link, download Omegle, and there you will be able to see this type of interface on your screen. Now scroll a bit down and there tap on download APK file, and there your downloading has been started. Now tap on open button and there a pop-up box will appear on your screen. Now tap on install button and there your app has been already downloaded and installed to your device. So that's how easily and quickly you can download Omegle application on your device. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a big thumbs up. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.